Good morning, STN.
I'm Patrick Edwards.
And I'm Julia Mendez. Today is Wednesday, February 19th.
Every school has its own personality, its own energy. But what really defines the soul of the community?
It's more than just the academics or the activities. It's the people, the traditions, and the moments that bring our school community together.
Today, we will see how music plays a vital role in the SPA community, uniting students and faculty through performances and creative expression. We'll also explore how being the heart of the community can help shape young entrepreneurs and student athletes.
All this and more on a special edition of Python TV.
Python TV
starts now.
Music makes Somerset Prep a vibrant community with people from different cultures coming together to create something special.
Matthew Menendez tells us more in his report.
Today, we'll be exploring the soul of Homestead, a city shaped by its rich farmland and tight-knit community. We'll see how much music, education, and outreach connect our past and our present, giving Homestead its heart and soul.
As a police officer of Homestead, my abilities as an officer to impact the city is it goes beyond enforcing the law. You know, we talk one-on-one with people to give them guidance on certain situations out in the streets. We help with numerous of things that doesn't involve enforcing, so we can make sure that the city is safe, supported, and most importantly, they could feel free.
I guess creating a bigger community in Homestead, I would like to see more open spaces available for collaboration, larger studios that people can use, and the government involvement as far as creating, I guess what would you call cultural exchanges, more cultural events.
Today, we've seen how the soul of Homestead is shaped by people committed to building a strong, connected community. From music to education and outreach, these efforts define our city's spirit. See you next time as we continue to celebrate Homestead's heart. I'm Matthew Menendez, reporting for STN.
Thank you, Matthew. Music has a powerful way of bringing us together, but there are also other important messages we should all hear.
Now, let's take a quick break.
Homestead has long been the heart of South Florida's agricultural heritage. A place where open fields, lush farms, and tight-knit communities created a way of life, deeply rooted in nature and tradition. But today, that soul is under threat. As the land vanishes, so does the characters of Homestead, the unique blend of rural charm and community spirit that has defined this area for generations. Some things that you can do are support local farmers and markets, advocate for smart growth and responsibility development. The progress does not come at the cost of losing what makes our city truly special. For STN, I'm Ariana Williams, reporting.
That truly was an important message. Now we should focus to something that's truly shaping our community.
Next, we take a closer look at Mr. Mazier and how he's impacting our community through different clubs and community engagement.
Good morning, STN. Here at Somerset Preparatory Academy, we're our own soul of the city. Our teachers bring culture, passion, and innovation to our community. And nowhere is that more evident than right here in Homestead.
The way I impact is in the teaching and education field. There's not a lot of male teachers. I remember growing up, I had maybe 3 male teachers. So just seeing the male teachers who have a variety range of interests, whether it be sports, being athletic, being love science, love anatomy. So having those different range, I could feel like I could reach kids different in multiple ways, and then being authentically me. Not knowing that I could be still love sports and still love anime. I could still be a science geek. You still be an athlete. So that's my way of giving back to some type of community, being myself.
From inspiring young entrepreneurs to fostering creativity in the classroom, Mr. Mazier is a true example of how educators can shape the future. For STN, I'm John Franco Torres, reporting.
It's important to think about the bigger picture, and sometimes a new perspective can help us understand things in a different way.
In every corner of Homestead, the heartbeat of the city is driven by its people, resilient, determined, and proud of where they came from. One group that truly represents the soul of this community is our student athletes. They're not just excelling in their sports, they're carrying the spirit of Homestead with them, both on and off the field. Student athletes in Homestead are a reflection of the city's strength. They show up every day, balancing the demands of school and sports, just like the hard-working people who live here. They understand that success isn't just about winning. It's about perseverance, teamwork, and never giving up. These values are what make the city Homestead so special. Homestead is a city built on resilience. From overcoming the challenges of everyday life to facing tough competition, our student athletes mirror that spirit. Whether it's through late night study sessions or early morning practices, they push through obstacles just as the city has continued to grow and thrive despite challenges. Homestead student athletes aren't just building their futures, they're shaping the future of the city. And just like Homestead, they're ready to face whatever challenges come their way. The soul of a city isn't just in its buildings or streets, it's in the people who give it life. Our student athletes are an example of that soul. They're not just representing their schools, they're representing Homestead with their dedication, resilience, and leadership. They embody everything that makes this city great. For STN, I'm Noah Gonzalez, reporting.
As we've seen today, the heart of Somerset Prep is in the connections we make every day. Whether it's a relationship between students, faculty, or even staff, every interaction adds to the spirit of this place.
Community isn't just about being together physically, it's about how we support each other, grow together, and create something lasting. And at Somerset Prep, that spirit is alive in everything we do.
For Python TV, I'm Patrick Edwards.
And I'm Julia Mendez, reporting.